torch. I choose Oreo and ginger because my favorite snack is Oreo and my favorite drink is ginger.
동주 하나만 주라.
Mix.
Rolled gold.
Why?
Tiny twist. Because this is espresso. I always drinking beer with this one.
I chose Lay's barbecue chips, and you know my barbecue is my favorite flavor. That's why. And I need this with beer.
I choose 7-Up because our member is 7 member and up is up. 7 members up. Okay.
And pretzel again. Because it's not too simple, not too salty, so I like to take pretzel.
Just Lay's because I like the shape, and it's just Lay's because I need energy right now.
I got cookie creams. Appreciate.
Why?
Cookie and cream. It's kind of like almond and chocolate. You know, the collaboration is so fantastic.